Hi everybody, it's David with Elongator Tailgates. If you follow us at all, you know we're all about simple solutions for making your truck more effective. It's why we came up with the idea of the Elongator Tailgate in the first place. Now, one of the things we've learned from talking to our customers is that when you have ramps with you all the time, you use them all the time. So let me show you the next simple thing we've come up with to make your life easier. Now, as you know, the ramps for the Elongator Tailgate store inside the gate. And when you take these ramps out, you create a cavity inside the tailgate that you have to roll over. Now, this cavity is not an issue for large-wheeled vehicles like motorcycles or ATVs, but if you have a small-wheeled item like a hand truck or a pressure washer or a lawnmower or something else, this gap could be an issue. So let me show you the next simple thing we've come up with. This is the ramp bridge, and it's stored inside the tailgate underneath the ramps. You simply flip them over. There are two of them, and you position them wherever they need to be based on the wheelbase of what you're loading. Here I'm loading something like a hand truck in the center, so I can put these in the middle and pull that hand truck up. If I'm going to load something with a slightly larger wheelbase, I'll just slide them apart. I'll match the ramp to the ramp bridges. So now you can load what you need to load. Hand trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, pressure washers, lawnmowers, whatever, and that gap is not even there. Again, you're thinking, these guys have come up with every simple solution. Everything's with me all the time. When I don't need my ramp bridges, I just flip them upside down. If I'm loading my motorcycle or my ATV, I just leave them there. And when I get it all done, I just do what I always do. I put the ramps back in. The ramps go on top of the ramp bridges. There's a second ramp. My extension up. And of course, I can always keep it at this level to carry long loads of lumber, pipe, whatever, carry a long load out here, heavy weights. Can also lock it at the 90-degree position to form a barrier to keep it from moving back and forth. And of course, the last thing is I close it up. I close the tailgate, and like we're always fond of saying, it all disappears. The Elongator Tailgate, the Swiss Army knife of tailgates, and the tailgate you want on your truck. We'll see you later.
Elongator Tailgates, built for more.